SDU, these are magical letters. SDU, they color our world. SDU, these are magical letters. SDU, let's sing it again. S is for sun, 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 shining bright in the sky, spreading warmth and light, making the world alive. S is for star, 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 twinkling far away, guiding the way in the quiet night's display. S is for snake, 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 slithering on the ground, silent and smooth, it makes no sound. S is for sea, 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 the vast and endless blue, full of waves and wonders and mysteries too. S is for snow, 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 falling soft and white, covering the world in a magical light. STU, these are magical letters. STU, they color our world. STU, these are magical letters. STU, let's sing it again. T is for tiger, 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 fierce in the wild, with stripes of orange and black, both scary and style. T is for tree, 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 standing tall and green, giving shade and life in every scene. T is for train, 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 speeding down the track, taking us to new places and bringing us back. T is for tulip, 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 blooming in the spring, colorful and bright, joy they always breeze. For thunder, 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 roaring loud and clear, when lightning strikes, it's a sound we sometimes fear. STU, these are magical letters. STU, they color our world. STU, these are magical letters. STU, let's sing it again. U is for umbrella, 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 keeping us dry in the rain, bright and colorful, spinning again and again. U is for unicorn, 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 a magical horse with a horn, a creature of dreams where magic is born. U is for universe, 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 so vast and wide, filled with stars and planets, an endless ride. U is for utensil, 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 tools we used to eat, from forks to spoons, making every meal complete. U is for uplift, 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 lifting spirits high, with kindness and love, reaching for the sky.